Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to add new mailing address on Wells Fargo. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer various sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website wellsfargo.com, then sign on with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right corner of the page. Beside it is a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow. A drop-down list will appear. From the drop-down list, you will see an option that says My Profile. Click on My Profile. Under your Profile section, you will see an option that says Update Contact Information. Click on Update Contact Information. On this page, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Addresses. Under Mailing Addresses, you will see an option that says Add a new mailing address. Click on Add a new mailing address. On the fields provided, enter all the required information such as your address, line 1, city, state and zip code. Once the required information is entered, scroll down a little. Then, select which accounts you wish to apply the new mailing address. Click on the check box beside the account provided. Lastly, scroll down a little and click on Save. That's how you add a new mailing address on Wells Fargo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.